R.F. Fager Company, the leading distributor of plumbing, HVAC, roofing, electrical, and industrial hose solutions in central Pennsylvania, partnered with Navarro & Wright Consulting Engineers, or N&W, to locate and construct a new 135,000 square foot distribution facility just off Route 15 south of Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. N&W provided a full range of site civil design services, beginning with a Phase 1 ESA and a wetlands delineation for the site. Civil engineering services included subdivision planning and land development. During the construction phase, N&W provided a construction stakeout survey and materials testing and inspection for concrete, site soils, and asphalt.